Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making creamy chicken masala. This chicken is rich, creamy, and nutty and fruity, and it's just delicious. I'm using 6 bone-in chicken thighs, pat-dry chicken thighs. Then poke chicken thighs with a fork. Season chicken thighs with kosher salt and black pepper. Turn the chicken over and season the top with kosher salt and black pepper. That's good. Let's make the sauce now. Half cup of heavy cream and half cup of Marsala wine. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Whisk them together. Pour the sauce all over the chicken. Use a spoon, pour the sauce all over the chicken and make sure chickens are all covered with the sauce. I'm going to use 4 ounces of sliced baby bella mushrooms and 1/4 of a large onion. Place the veggies into the pan and drizzle some olive oil on top. Sprinkle some dried parsley on top, about 1/4 teaspoon. Bake at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. While the chicken is in the oven, let's make this butter cheese sauce, which will make this chicken even better. Then let's grate some Parmesan and pecorino cheese. Add the cheese to the melted butter. Mix them together. When your oven beeps, place mushroom and onions into the sauce. Then brush the butter cheese mixture on top of the chicken. Cook them at broil high for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, when you open your oven, you will find this sizzling, delicious creamy chicken masala. Pour the sauce on top of chicken. This rich, nutty, fruity, creamy sauce will make you taste like in heaven. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.